Did you know that over 70% of millionaires made their wealth through entrepreneurship rather than traditional jobs? It's all about thinking outside the box. Getting rich quickly, it's a concept that sounds almost too good to be true, right? But I'm here to tell you that it's not only possible, but it's also achievable with the right mindset and strategies. Today, I'm going to share with you some proven money-making secrets that can literally change your life. You see, most people struggle with building wealth because they're stuck in the traditional 9-to-5 mentality. They think that working hard and saving money is the only way to get ahead. But the truth is, there are so many other ways to make money, and I'm excited to share some of them with you today. So, buckle up, and let's dive in. We're about to explore the world of fast wealth creation, and I promise you, it's going to be a wild ride. When it comes to building wealth, most people face a common set of challenges. One of the biggest obstacles is lack of knowledge. People just don't know where to start or what to do to make more money. They're stuck in a cycle of uncertainty, and it's hard for them to break free. Another major challenge is fear of risk. People are afraid to take the leap and try something new because they're scared of failure. They'd rather stick with what they know, even if it's not working for them. Then there's the overwhelming amount of advice available. There are so many gurus and experts out there telling you what you should do, but it's hard to know who to trust. It's like drinking from a fire hose, and it can be really overwhelming. On top of that, there's the issue of mindset. People often think that making money is somehow shameful or greedy. They believe that if they make a lot of money, they're somehow taking advantage of others. But the truth is, making money is a game, and anyone can play it. If you're serious about building wealth, you need to be willing to take responsibility for your finances. You need to be willing to take risks and try new things. And most importantly, you need to be willing to learn and adapt. The good news is that it's not as hard as it seems. With the right strategies and mindset, you can overcome these challenges and start building wealth fast. One of the most effective ways to make money quickly is through online sales. Whether it's selling products on Amazon or creating your own digital products, there's a huge opportunity to make a lot of money online. Another strategy is to invest in real estate. Now, I know what you're thinking, isn't that only for rich people? But the truth is, there are so many ways to invest in real estate, even with little to no money down. You can also make money through freelance work or consulting. If you have a particular skill set, you can offer your services to clients and make a killing. Or, you can create your own business. It doesn't have to be some massive, complicated thing. It can be as simple as creating a product or service that solves a problem for people. Take Sarah, for example. She was a stay-at-home mom who was struggling to make ends meet. But she was also an amazing baker. So, she started selling her baked goods online, and before long, she was making thousands of dollars a month. Or take John, who was working a 9-to-5 job but wanted to make more money. So, he started offering his services as a freelance writer, and within a year, he was making 6 figures. These are just a few examples, but the point is, there are so many ways to make money quickly. You just need to be willing to take action and try new things. One of my favorite success stories is about a guy named Alex. He was struggling to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. But then he discovered the power of online sales. He started selling products on Amazon, and within 6 months, he was making over $10,000 a month. But here's the best part, he didn't stop there. He kept learning, adapting, and trying new things. Today, he's making over $1 million a year, and his life has completely transformed. That's the power of taking action and trying new things. That's the power of building wealth quickly. So, let's recap the key strategies we've talked about today. We've covered online sales, real estate investing, freelance work, consulting, and creating your own business. These are all proven ways to make money quickly, and they can literally change your life. Remember, building wealth is not about being lucky or talented. It's about being willing to take action and try new things. It's about being willing to learn and adapt. And most importantly, it's about being willing to take responsibility for your finances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your own money-making secrets. And if you want more insights and strategies, be sure to check out my next video.